Welcome to Intel's CES press conference, and today we're going to expand the 12th Gen family further, starting with the announcement that we're in production of our brand new 12th Gen Intel Core KS series processor. It has a whopping 5.5 gigahertz single core turbo right out of the box. And with optimizations for performance cores, we can get above 5 gigahertz on multi-core performance. And we'll ship this new enthusiast desktop part to OEM customers by the end of this quarter. I'm thrilled to announce that starting today, we're bringing our new hybrid architecture to performance laptops with the launch of 8 brand new 12th Gen H-series mobile processors. With up to 14 cores and clock speeds up to 5 gigahertz, our 12th Gen H-series delivers up to 40% higher performance than our prior generation.
You can see here, we are running the popular game Hitman 3 against the best compact offer in the market today. When we tested it in our lab, we saw that our systems got 49% higher frame rates. And we have Riftbreaker at 27% higher FPS. Mountain Blade 2, Bannerlord at 23%, and Total War 3 Kingdoms at 47%.
We designed the processor family to conquer multiple high-intensity workloads at the same time. Now today, I'm pleased to introduce more than 20 new designs powered by the H-series processors, from partners including Dell, Gigabyte, HP, Lenovo, MSI, Razer, Republic of Gamers, and more. We're not only bringing this architecture and performance to the enthusiast and gaming space, we're also bringing it to thinner and lighter laptops. And with that, I'm very excited to announce we're in production and shipping a new product line called the 12th Gen Intel Core P-Series. This family includes 6 brand new processors delivering up to twice the performance above our 11th Gen U-Series systems in market today. In total, we're delivering 28 new 12th generation Intel Core mobile processors across our HP and traditional U-Series product lines. Now, the innovation we're driving with our CPUs is just part of the story. As you know, we've been on a mission to deliver the best PC experience with our Intel Evo platform. And today, I'm pleased to announce the 3rd generation of our Intel Evo spec. I'm pleased to announce that we've acquired Screenovate, a pioneer and leader in delivering technology for advanced interaction between multiple devices based on different operating environments. We intend to enable new interactions with full flexibility across ecosystems, operating systems, and form factors.
This new Intel technology will break through the communication barriers no matter what your devices are or no matter what OS you're running. So let me give you some examples. The first thing we have is we have my iPhone here, but you can see my iMessages and SMS texts are showing up on my Evo laptop. Not only can I see them, I can easily reply. Now, many people also love second displays when they travel. So let me show you how I can take my Android tablet and turn it into a second display. We're going to click on our tablet. We're going to hit Extend Screen. And you can see how my workflow is already moving across both screens.
I'm excited to announce that we are now shipping our Intel Arc discrete GPUs for 12th Gen Core H-series mobile designs to our leading OEM customers. We will launch more than 50 mobile and desktop designs, all using Arc. One of the advantages we can offer our customers and gamers is the enhanced experiences that come with combining Intel Arc GPUs and Intel Core platforms. Which brings me to Deep Link, a collection of technologies where our CPU and GPU architects have collaborated on the platform level to deliver better experiences with Intel Arc graphics and Intel Core platforms. Shipping Intel Arc to leading mobile OEMs and broad adoption of our new technologies like XeSS and HyperEncode marks an important milestone on our discrete graphics journey. So stay tuned, more excitement is ahead.